I'm Dr. Deuk. It's January 26, 2022, and I'm here with one of my patients who you underwent the Deuk laser disc repair on your lower back for some herniated discs about a week ago.
Yes.
How are you feeling today?
Unbelievable. For almost 3 years, I had lower back pain, and it just, it just nags at you, wears you out. And then I came here, and you were the first one. I went to 2 other surgeons, and neither one of them picked up what was wrong with me, even though I had the MRI. And you came in, and you told me exactly what was going on, and you performed the laser surgery, and I'm like a different person.
Yeah.
A week later.
Yeah, you were a different person the next day, right? The day after, you had no pain, remember?
No, absolutely.
Yeah, so that pain's gone for the rest of your life. How does that make you feel?
New life.
Good. And, a long time ago, I remember when people did something great, you said, what are you going to do now? They said, I'm going to Disneyland. You already went, I can see.
No, my wife's a big Disneyland
fan. Good for you. All right, so sounds like we helped you with your back pain, and it sounds like you're very satisfied.
Oh yeah, I'm recommending a friend of mine in Connecticut to come here. You have to come here. If you go anywhere else, I really think you're going to be wasting your time. So this guy just looks at you, and he can tell what needs to be done. He's a fantastic talent, and I'm very grateful that I came here.
Well, we're grateful you did too, because it's going to change your life for the better. Congratulations.
Thank you, Doc.
You're welcome.